Right, good morning and hello Falava bikers. It's been a while, hasn't it? Apologies for the lack of videos. We have a odd ad hoc project-based work, and July, August have been wiped out with a very intense project. Not ideal timing, but it's a case of serious first world problems, isn't it? At least I've still got a job from time to time at this stage of life. Anywho, so that's starting to wind down a bit now, so we're back on the track again. So back at Southern Motocross today, and this is one of the tracks I've not been on. I started riding with them early last year, just by pure chance. I haven't been to this one. They don't use it as much as Horsham and the two Alvathams, but this is Northchapel. So Northchapel is sort of mid-London, go down a little bit over halfway towards the coast. So yeah, not been here before. It's a slightly different sort of track. It's one of these nice little valleys, you know, where it's up and down around the valley. Beautiful weather, looking good. A little bit damp this morning, but she should be prime within an hour or so, I think. Anyway, we'll get out there in a few minutes and see how she rides. So ciao for now. Okay, so we qualified just where we wanted to be. C out of 4 groups, A, B, C, D. So C's good, not too fast, not too dangerous. The problem now is I have no push button start. My legs are very short and the start line is slightly sloping the wrong way. So can I get it started? Oop, that was a mistake, didn't you saw that guy go over? Gave it some throttle on the slippery bit, that's a mistake, right? Did a high side, which is quite unusual on a dirt bike. Okay, ate half of that. That's a bastard, isn't it? Oh, Jesus Christ. Spit. Bullshit. So GoPro is doing better than my goggles. high-sided. It's quite slippery there on those bits. Oh, Jesus Christ, stop throwing dirt on me, will you, for fuck's sake. So with the magic of video editing, we've just jumped out of the first motor into the second, back on the track at a remarkably similar place to where we left. Right, so at this point about 2.5 laps to go, and I'll just let it run so that those that are interested can have a nosy at the track. fucking provocative. For Northchapel today, so there's 2 motos out down the track. What do you think about it? It's good. I mean, I had a lot of fun, particularly the second moto. I really enjoyed the second moto. As I said, out of A's deals in the sea, so that's good for me. Not with guys that are too fast, and not with the really slow guys either. So that's good. There were people sort of in the front to race with, and that was a lot of fun. Managed to get a couple of riders in the last lap, which is always good fun to do that, especially when it's hot and you're tired. So yeah, the track itself, yeah, it's great. It's good fun, right? Some nice jumps in there. It's a bit of an old school track, really. It's very hot today. 3rd of September 2023 at the moment. And after a generally rubbish summer, we've got a mini heat wave coming across the southeast of England. So it's over 25, which is hot for us, and I can hear the Australians and the Americans laughing from here. But that's hot for us, and it's blooming hot for me at this stage of my motocross career. So that's good. So yeah, so the track was good. Like I say, it's an old school track. Actually, for a guy like me, a child of the 70s, in many ways, I'm more at home on a track like this, despite the harsh, hard bumps, you know, and the slippery surface, and a bit of dust starting to come up. Quite a bit of dust in the second moto, because that's what we grew up with, right? But that's good. So it's a good day out. The second race was great. I'm going to call it quits at that. I've learned in the last couple of years that heat's one of the things that causes me more trouble than it used to, and I just need to be a bit cautious. I'm okay at the moment. I think I'm going to leave it that way. After a couple of good races, that second one being a real beauty. I'm going to call it quits and head home for a metaphorical beer. Alright, thanks for listening. As I say, like and subscribe if you're inclined to do so. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.